What's up, guys? Jim Squares here. I have solutions, systems for you to make more money, create more time, and get more fit. But first, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Today's a health hack on leveling up your normal life. So here's my top 3 tips for doing that. So what I like to do in my life, and I just try to set this with my kids, and this is important because whatever you do, your kids will mirror. You could say things, and you could say, hey, don't smoke, and you smoke. Guess what's going to happen? They're going to look at what you do and go, hey, he really likes smoking. I'm going to do that. That seems like a good idea. So that's you need to make sure whatever example you're setting that you do that for your children. So what I like to do is I like to earn level up points. So level up points, what's a level up point? That's essentially where you do something where it's a little bit more difficult. You put a little resistance in your way, or you put like something a little bit more motivating. Do something a little harder. So here's an example of that. So there's escalator, and there's a stairwell that's nearby. Take the stairwell, and then you get level up points. And you could let your kids take the escalator and go, I'm getting a level up, you're not. And they think they're losing out on something. And that's a key persuasion thing. So there's a free tip for you about persuasion. But you can say, I'm getting level up points, you're not. I'm going to beat you with level up points. And they're like, well, I want those level up points too. And so you take the stairs together. And so you feel better, you feel more energized because you're using more energy. So that's one escalator. No moving walkways. So like if you're ever going to an airport, they have those moving walkways that are flat. So I like to walk around those, and I like to walk faster than the people on the walkway because then I feel, one, I'm getting exercise. Two, I'm getting to my place faster. And three, I'm getting level up points. So that's another thing that I like to do. And this is you play these little tricks in your head for how you can make yourself feel better for when you do these things, because you will feel better. I guarantee it if you keep doing these things. And there's times, sure, you're not going to want to. But other times, there are. So I would go for it. Another example would be parking farther away. So I have yet to do this, but parking at the very back of the lot and walking all the way in. What I'll more likely do is I'll park like right when the cars start and not deep in where everyone's parking going in and out. Because that'll do two things for you. One, it will give you level up points. You'll feel better. And two, your car will be less likely to get dinged or banged up. Because if you think about where everyone's trying to park is up front, right wherever the entrance is. So people are going in and out of there all the time. So if there's a lot of traffic going in and out, there's more likely more activity, and so people are more likely to bang in your car. So saved you some money there. So and anguish and anger. So, the other level up points that you could get from are also like healthy snacks. Depends on what you like and where you are, but if you want almonds, then eat some, like a handful of almonds instead of the chocolate chips, or rice cakes if you're just hangry. That's what it is. Hungry. So have rice cakes or sparkling water. Psyllium husk is another thing, so the Metamucil. So that it's not going to go for your body, but it fills you up really fast. So all those things. Apple cider vinegar is another one. It's good for your body, and will also make you more full. It'll make you feel that way. So all these things, if you take these all in together, and then you keep and every once in a while poke it in one of your kids, go, hey, I'm getting level up points, you're not. And then they pick up on that stuff really fast. And then there was times when I was taking an escalator or elevator up, and they took a stairwell instead of me. And I was like, dude, they beat me on level up points there. So they rubbed it in, which is okay. So it's all good. It all comes around. So that's what I got for you. To continue learning, I recommend checking out my video on living longer. So you'll check it out. You'll be surprised. So in the meantime, keep growing together. Share this with others, and we'll be talking later.